Welcome to Creed's Tech. Today we are covering how to connect your TV to your hotspot using Netmod. Click three lines on your left corner. Scroll and select Settings, and enable proxy tethering. Go back to Payload, switch on Hotspot. And press play button to connect to VPN. Swipe to the right, and swipe down you will see our HTTP address. Head to your TV's Wi-Fi settings and connect to your hotspot. Now we head to proxy settings for this TV. I just scrolled down and found them. So try to find where it is located on your TV. Click on Proxy, choose Manual. And in our host IP, 9090 is not included on host name as it is our port number. As you can see, my host IP does not have 9090 at the end. So let us input our port 9090. Do not enter anything on this field, just skip it and you're done. Let us test it. Please do not forget to like and subscribe for future updates.